Monsoon, the season that influences all other seasons. Indians feel it with very importance. The Indian landscape, its animal life, plants life, entire agricultural calendar, and even religious and cultural festivals depend upon the rhythm of monsoons. Onam, Nagapanchami, Tej, etc. are the examples of festivals. Shravan or Savan is considered a wet monsoon holy month for religious festivities. This month's festivities end with great North Indian festival Raksha Bandhan. You may learn more about it from internet. Let me begin the class monsoon and its mechanism. Monsoons are seasonal winds which blow for 6 months from land to sea and for another 6 months from sea to land. After the equinox day on March 21, concentration of sun's rays moves northwards. Because of this movement of the sun towards north from the equator, temperature increases in the northern hemisphere. During these days in June, temperature remains highest in North India. On June 21st, sun's rays are direct on Tropic of Cancer. Northwestern part of India, especially Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, etc., experiences extreme high temperature. Because of this extreme high temperature, air pressure remains lower. Air pressure remains normal above the surrounding seas in comparison to the extreme lower pressure conditions of North India. Because of this high difference of air pressure between the surrounding seas and the land over North India, winds move northwards from the surrounding seas. Winds deflect towards right during the course of its movement due to the Coriolis effect. When temperature decreases in the northern part of India, monsoon winds return from India. We call it as retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon is the transition period between the southwest monsoon and the northeast monsoons.